Hashtag at you. Hashtag like, comment, subscribe. So yeah, we're here at Zion National Park.
Yeah, he's rocking those all white hiking boots by Nike.
I have to roll out the shorts for this one.
Oh shoot, those hops though. Have you been working on your vertical? All right. It's not bad so far. Oh, we got some dope views. Anyone want us to go up there? No one responded. All right, let's go.
I think go to the top of there.
Right here?
Take some pictures.
To that point?
Yeah.
Right there? Okay. Let's do this.
Just like stand on that top rock. Oh, these Roshis are really struggling.
Yeah, maybe you should tie them next time. I guess if you tie them, it takes away the cool factor though. You might as well just not even wear white Roshis if you tie them.
Oh, that would have been a lot easier.
Yeah.
Shout out.
Vulcan
Hashtag
Pipe Pro on my back. Right
black
there.
shirt.
Yeah, black shirt. Coolest black shirt around.
Hashtag.
And I haven't worn this one for 4 straight days. Cross is shirt, however, it's very versatile. You can wear it several days in a row, and it still looks the same.
What up, world? It's your boy, just one of the guys down here. Well, I could be more specific. I'm a human.
55.
5,500 feet?
Approximately.
Okay.
Like, subscribe.
Yeah. If you guys want to see some more, just make sure you...
Like, subscribe.
What he's saying is like, comment, and prescribe over at your local Publix.
Shout out Publix for making the hashtag greatest prescribations ever.
A couple weeks ago, Publix prescribed me a full chicken tender sub on white. Yeah, now we're toast. I've got a piece of fried chicken sitting in my aorta right now, and it's not very comfy.
Like, comment, subscribe to Publix.
Hey guys, okay, I just sent Cross up on the little hill because there's all these little plates that seem like perfect pedestals for someone to stand on. So I'm sending him up there. But his shoes, his Nike Roshi camping edition, hiking edition 2.0s are not treating him very well. So he's slipping everywhere. Slipping like a... No, not there, Cross. Up on the thing. Let's make sure and get that iPhone photo. Get one horizontal. Hashtag Zion National Park. Oh, now that looks like something you should climb. Should we climb that? The answer is yes. Should we go higher? We should go higher. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm just gonna pause it and we're back. I'm on top of the thing now. It's literally like 10 feet off the ground, not even that far, but it looks a lot cooler. Hopefully Cross took a photo and I'll put it here, maybe? He did. So now you can see that. And we're back. Okay, I'm going back down. I can't tell if my foot's touching. Oh, I think I got it, but I'm about to rip my pants. Oh. These pants have no stretch. It's the first pair of pants that I've worn without stretch in 7 years. But these are pants from, or shorts from Outer Known, which is a company that was started by surfer Kelly Slater, I think. And it's like ethical and like environmental and all that stuff, you know, like fair trade, I think. So you should go check them out. A little pricey, but definitely worth it. They have some cool gear. Okay. I feel like my foot's sideways right now, but I'm not moving yet. However, Cross with his zero grip Nike Roshis, gripless 7.0 X.
I'll keep it clean, boys. Oh boy.
Okay. we go. We made, well, I made it. Where's Cross? Oh shoot, he's not even around the corner. Cross? Can you wave a hand or something? There he is. Okay, he's still there, he's still there. Okay, he's alive. I'm just gonna walk around the corner real quick. I'm hoping that there's some epic view at the end of this. Because if not, I'll be pissed. Just kidding, it'll probably still be cool. And life is good, so I'm not gonna be pissed. Yeah. I'm just gonna turn this back on when I get there, so bye. And shoot. Oh. Yeah, we made it. Okay, that's pretty freaking epic. There's Cross right about there. Somewhere right there. Alright, well, I'm gonna make my trek back, meet up with Cross, so peace out. Look who I found. Look at this dude. Found himself a little seat. We're gonna hop back in the car. Yeah, Cross has got to jump 6 feet down with his 0 cushion, 0 grip, 0 shoelaces, 0 color, hiking high tops.
So put a comment in if you think white is a color.
Okay, he's trying to get down. I think he's actually gone a little higher since he started to go down. I don't think he's made any descent so far. That's okay. I should probably offer a hand. No, he doesn't want a hand. Oh. If that's not wisdom you don't hear every day.
Sometimes you just gotta send it.
Hardcore! Shoot!
I'm that white dude that can do tricks off of rocks.
Watch him do it again. Watch it. Oh, frick. Look at him do those steps.
Watch this.
Oh gosh, don't hurt yourself. Ah!
I almost ripped my shoes. No, but seriously.
So we're just like 2 minutes inside the park. We should probably go see the rest of it. So we're gonna head back down to the car and see if my sunroof closes. So stay tuned.
Max is going to the bathroom over there. I don't know if you can see him. He's right there. Well, he was taking a Wiz Khalifa and he saw some elderly people. So he is sprinting back full speed, looking like Black Panther, like the white Black Panther. So basically it cancels out, which means he's just a panther. You know what I'm saying? What kind of butterfly is that? Shout out all the cars that are going to drive by us in the next minute. Hashtag don't hit us.
Oh shoot, we're like on the road. Here, Cross, take the camera.
No. Okay. Alright. Mother, you can't step in my shoes like that. Alright, so I'm gonna freestyle for you guys.
Walking down the street with my GoPro. I've got my little brother, he ain't little no more.
There's a car coming by, but I'm looking really fly. She said I'm really cheap, so I'm finna buy. The speed limit is 20 miles per hour. I'm gonna jump in that hotel room and take a shower.
Oh, that'd be a good idea.
So, when we're done with this trip, we're gonna pack. We got sand all over us, even in our hair.
Oh. Screw the
I'm
comments.
gonna comment down right
We're
here
just gonna try it.
if you think the sunroof will close.
Here we go. Oh, there's no way.
Should I help it?
No. Yeah. Go, 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 go!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Give me some of that! Give me some of that!
What the heck is that? Holy smokes, is that like a dog or a hot dog with with feet.
Oh my gosh, that's the cutest dog I've ever seen.
It went under the rope. It just went under the rope. The rope is 3 inches off the ground. Oh. Get that.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go steal that dog. Why is his hot dog on his shoulder? He's not even holding it. It's just on his shoulder. I just took off my sunglasses in the car. I'm gonna go play some golf and hit a par.
What's up, guys? We are on a very sketchy bridge. Yeah, Cross is freaked out, and now we're in a cave. All right.
Oh, that's kind of sick.
Yeah, this is kind of sick. Hey. All right, we just got to the top of the canyon overlook. Let's go check it out. What's happening, guys?
What's going on, guys? It's the Power Boys coming back at you with the banger video.
We just got done with our first, well, we just got to the destination of
Halfway.
our first legit hike at Zion National Park. What'd you think, Cross?
Good view.
It was a pretty dope view. Yeah.
So yeah, basically,
We're trying to be low key right now.
my hair is so dirty. There's bugs that are following me. What's going on, guys? Power Boys coming back at you with another banger video.
Every time.
So how long do you think that was? That was like a 3 mile, 2 mile
It definitely said 1 mile round trip.
from the car.
Oh yeah, probably 3 miles total. But let's just go ahead and call it 10.
Yeah.
Because we sweating.
Peep the hair.
Peep there.
You know what
Peep
I'm
the
saying?
pits.
Peep the pits. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I feel nasty. I'm gonna get in that shower and I'm gonna stay in that shower.
Indefinitely.
I'm just gonna sit there and just
Get
pour a
some
bottle
bits.
of soap. Just like leave it there. You know what?
We're probably gonna get some
Oh.
Thai food.
This fly thinks he's all that in the white car. Put a comment down in the comment section if you want me to keep my hair like this, or if I should get some dreads. You know, I'm kind of thinking I should get some twists or dreads or something like that. But yeah, just peep the comment section. That's the best part, hydration right there. Oh, my elbow. Okay. Oh. Okay. Alright guys, let's check what's in my shoe. I've been feeling something the entire hike.
What do you have in there? You get a rock in there or something?
Yeah, I think it's a rock. Wait, show the viewers.
I'll hold it.
Shout out to Vans for keeping stuff inside your shoe insulated.
I have a feeling it's not a rock.
Oh my goodness. You don't see that every day.
What?
That's 3 bills right there. Right, for the boys. For the one time. No, let's check the other shoot. No, I'm just kidding. I think there is something in there.
Really?
Oh no, it just says to like, comment, and subscribe.